Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am here at my Tesla, and what I have here is a new hitch cover. So this is gonna be a hitch cover that's supposed to make it easier to do. So let's see if we got it here. So this is the hitch cover there. See if I can get the old one off. Oh yeah, well, it's gonna be hard. Hold on a sec while I do this. I can't do it. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Hold on. Or wait, I can pry it with this thing. Hold on a sec. Pry it with the new one. There we go. So, okay. So if you know the old one here, you can see it's got those clips on it, so it clips in. So let's see what this new one is supposed to make it easier, and let's see how it goes. So it's gonna go right in there. Oh, and that's it. It just flips in, and then it magnetizes in. Very cool. So now it just stays in there, and it stays in by itself. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on this, very cool. Put a link to it in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.